PRTG stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer all this in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Portage Biotech stock, it's definitely 100% up, you know, that's nothing to double check there. But is this still something like that I'm willing to buy? I mean, obviously my outlook and bias on this was bullish as long as there was a shift, because clearly here is the before a month ago, 4th of February, when this video was made.
And not everything is from PRTG.
Not only did this freaking deliver, bro, this is just gapped up, you know. It's not like it gave me the double break, but the bias was there. All I want to say with the current price action is, hopefully when we open like next week on Monday, if there is a decent pull down and the correct double break, then there's nothing stopping me from still taking this thing higher. Yeah, that's how PRTG is looking like. PRTG is looking like, and all I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. By the way, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and clean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.